Yeah, welcome back friends. Let's know about the last position that we have here is the recovery position. If you are watching for the first time, go and watch these videos and these lectures, right? We have on each position we have a practical video. You will learn from that video and these important points. Look, so the recovery position, our last position is the recovery position. What is recovery position? It is a position in which there should be lying an unconscious patient who is not conscious due to some reason. So whenever you bring him to the recovery position, how do you do? Look carefully. We say that we bring the patient and lie it on its right side. Right? So lying on right side, the first point about recovery position is that the patient should be lying on right side. Okay, this is the first point. The next point about the recovery position is that right arm should be flexed, right, on the right side. So right arm flexed on right side of body. Done. The third point about the recovery position is that his left forearm should be on his chest. Left forearm on chest and hand, right? I mean hand. Left forearm should be on his chest and right and the left hand should be on his face. Hand on right face. I will show you these important points while I am going for the practical on it, don't worry. Then the fourth important point about recovery position is that his left thigh or left leg should be flexed. Left leg flexed. This is called the recovery position. So let's have the practical of this also, this position also. Start. Okay friends, now we are going to discuss or to see the recovery position. As I told you in the lecture that the recovery position is very must if there is an unconscious person and he is lying on the ground, so and you want to make him feel relaxed and bring him to the recovery position. So what will be that recovery position? Look carefully. First, you have to take the patient to his right side, right? Why? Because his heart is located in the left side. If you take him to the left side, then what will happen? There will be more pressure of the right side on his heart. So he will not feel well, right? So you have to take the patient towards his right side. Next thing, then the right upper limb should be towards his right side like this, right? And then his left hand, I had told you his left forearm must be kept as his chest, at his chest, and his palm should be kept at his right face. Okay, done. Then by the help of someone, or if you can do it yourself, flex his feet or lower leg like this and take him to the right side like this. So this is called the recovery position. Okay, look, his heart is superiorly, his heart is feeling relaxing, his heart will beat faster to bring him back to its conscious level, right? So this position is called recovery position. One thing very important which you have to do when you bring the patient to the recovery position, you have to note that either everything is okay or not, either he is doing his respiration, his breathing or not. So you have to check, and if the patient is unconscious, bring him to the recovery position, and call the ambulance to take him to the hospital. Right. So this is called our recovery position. See you in the next one. Hey dear friends, welcome back. We had all these positions, these anatomical positions I have discussed, and we had practical videos on each of them. So I hope you liked the videos, and I hope you have learned all these anatomical positions, right? So let's go for the next lectures regarding anatomy, and that will be the discussion about on the body cavities and other things regarding the introduction of anatomy. So let's see in the next lecture. Till then, Allah Hafiz.